Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Alwali, NPM 183100085. I studied general medicine, major semester 8. Physical examination of a COVID patient must begin with an examination of the patient's general condition and vital sign. The findings of thoracic examination and general status of COVID-19 patient point to respiratory tract infection without special gain. 1. General condition and vital sign. General condition and vital sign are the first and foremost examination in determining patient triage. COVID-19 patients generally have a temperature of more 38 derajat Celsius. Patients with complications such as pneumonia, sepsis, or septic shock, the following signs will be found. 1. Change in mental status or awareness. Change in consciousness, generally indicate decreasing perfusion in the brain so that it requires immediate treatment. 2. Tachypnea in adolescent or adult patient, a respiratory rate more 30 kali per minute is a sign of severe pneumonia. 3. Change in heart rate. Increasing or decreasing heart rate may indicate cardiovascular compensation for decreased perfusion or cardiac dysfunction, often seen in patients with sepsis and septic shock. 4. Low oxygen saturation. A decrease in oxygen saturation, SpO2, least 90% is a sign of decreased perfusion and can be classified as severe pneumonia. Chest physical examination. Physical examination of the chest in a COVID-19 patient did not show any typical abnormalities. Through thoracic examination, an evaluation can be carried out to find to the condition of the COVID-19 patient. 1. Sign of severe respiratory distress. Stridor and chest wall retraction are signs of severe respiratory distress found in severe pneumonia. 2. Change in pulmonary zone. Studied on pulmonary zone in COVID-19. To know it is still very diverse and limited. There are tests that do not show change in lung zones. However, several other studies reported the presence of wheezing and soft wet bronchi on lung auscultation of COVID-19 patients, as well as viral pneumonia general. General tourism examination. On examination of the throat, hyperemia of the pharynx is minimal. In addition, the rest is fine. Generalized examination of COVID-19 patient can also be done to determine the progress of the disease. 1. Central cyanosis. Signs of central cyanosis: bluish skin and mucous membranes may indicate a decrease in oxygen saturation least 85%. Cold extremities and moisturized skin. Cold extremities and clammy skin are signs of circulatory failure. 3. Signs of right heart failure. Patients with severe pneumonia may develop cor pulmonale, which is characterized by peripheral edema, hepatomegaly, and hypoxia. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.